Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all my students. Alright, so for our lesson today, we are going to continue still about the chapter 9. Wait, okay. Okay, still about the chapter 11. Chapter 11. So chapter 11, isometric transformation. So we continue our discussion for example 7, page 215 in your math textbook. Okay, now look at this one. Example 7, question asks you to determine the translation for the diagram below. Okay, A. Okay, so as I mentioned to you before this, right, this one, the symbol here, we read as Q prime. And this one is Q. And Q prime, it is an image for the object Q here. All right, the prime means image. Okay, so question asks you to determine the translation for the diagram below. So how to find the translation for this diagram? So to find it, right, you have to do like this. Okay, okay, okay. So refer to this diagram. So let you choose one point for the object. Okay, and that point will go to the same point for the object for the image there. Alright, so such as this one, this vertex here for the object here, so should be uh, go to this vertex for this image here, image here. So how the movement from this point to this point? Okay, we need to know the movement because we want to find out the translation for this diagram. All right. So remember the movement should be start on the x-axis, and after that it will go to the y-axis. So x-axis means move to the left or to the right. So starting here, okay, calculate, it move to the left. Okay, so one, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it move 3 unit to the left. That means to the left means minus. So minus 3. Okay, then after that, it move 1, 2, 3, 4. It move 4 unit upward. If it move 4 unit outward, for the y-axis, mean it is a positive 4. So the translation for this diagram, it is equal to, okay, you need to write in bracket minus 3, then okay, write minus 3, then the translation for the y-axis, it is 4. So it is like this, in bracket minus 3. This is the translation for the x-axis. And after that, you have to write the translation for the y-axis, which is equal to 4 because it moved 4 unit upward. Okay, okay, like this one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the movement of the x-axis. Okay, 3 unit to the left, that means minus 3. Then after that, 4 unit outward. 4 unit outward for the y-axis, that means positive 4. So like this, the answer for A. Right now, look at the B here. So we have the object P here, then the image of the object P labeled as P prime here. So how to know the translation? So you have to find one point from the object. Okay, go to the same point of the image. Okay, so let's say we take this one, take this vertex here and to the vertex here. So how to know the moment? Okay, the moment should start to the x-axis first. So that means starting here, we move 1, 2, 3, 4. We move 4 unit to the left, that means minus 4. Then after that, it move 1, 2, 3. It move 3 unit downward. Okay, 3 unit downward to the y-axis. If y-axis, if the movement is downward, it means negative. So the translation, it is equal to minus 4, okay, minus 3, like this. Okay, look at the first one. Okay, it moved 4 unit to the left. 4 unit to the left mean minus 4. Then after that, it moved 3 unit downward. Okay, this one. If you take this one, the vertex here and vertex here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 3 unit, 4 unit to the left, that means minus 4. Then after that, it moved 3 unit downward. 1, 2, 3. So that means downward mean minus 3. So that the answer is equal this one, minus 4, minus 3. Okay, now look at C here. Okay, so look at the diagram here. So we have R, the object, and the image for the R is labeled as R prime. So how to do this one? Okay, all right. So we pick one point here. Let's say this one, and it will go to this one. So how the movement here? So starting here, the movement on the x-axis, no need to move. No need to move. That means the value is equal to 0. Okay, so you just write 0. Then after that, it move 1, 2, 3. It move 3 unit downward. That means the movement on the y-axis, it is 3 unit downward. That means minus 3. So that's why the translation is equal to 0 minus 3. Then don't forget to put the bracket here for the translation. Okay, so that's the answer for C here. Okay, all right, next. This one example, 7. Okay, now look at the subtopic 11.2.3. Okay, image and object under translation. Okay, all right. So this one, the image of an object in a translation will always be the same in terms of shape, size, and orientation. Okay, this one you have to understand for the translation. Okay, so look at example 8 here. Question asks you to draw the image of the object A in the diagram with the translation. Okay, for the A, the translation is in bracket minus 2, then minus 4. Remember, the first number refer to the movement on the x-axis, and the second number refer to the movement on the y-axis. All right, so look at the solution for this one, example 8 here. Okay, this one. So the translation is translation, it is equal to, okay, minus 2 minus 4. That means we, okay, fit this point here. Okay, the object here. So the first movement is minus 2. That means minus 2, it move 2 unit to the left. The movement of the x-axis minus 2. That means 1, 2. Then after that, it move 4 unit downward because the translation is minus 2 minus 4. Minus 4 means the movement on the y-axis, minus mean downward. So starting here, it move 4 unit downward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the image for the image for this point we get here. All right. Then after that, how to do? Okay, you have to move this one, the point here, the point of the object here. Move with the same translation. That means move 2 unit to the left, 2 unit to the left on the x-axis. That means 1, 2, right? Then it move 4 unit downward on the y-axis. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Then after that, the last one. Okay, this point, you have to move with the same translation. That means first one minus 2, move 2 unit to the left, 1, 2. Then after that, it move 4 unit downward, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. After you already get the point of the image for the object A, you just join the point there. Okay. Then you will get the image, the A prime, the image of the object A like this. Yeah. This is the answer for A. All right. Now look at B there. Okay. B, you have to find the image of object A under the translation. Okay. In bracket 3 minus 1. Okay. So remember, first movement, it is on x-axis. 3 mean it move to the right 3 unit. So starting the point here, it moves to the right 3 unit. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then after that, look at the movement on the y-axis, -1. -1 means it moves 1 unit downward. Okay, so after here, it moves 1 unit downward because -1, -1, the movement on the y-axis, 1 unit downward. So here, okay, the image for the point, for this point. Okay, and after that, you have to do the movement for this point here. So 3 unit to your right, 1, 2, 3, then 1 unit downward because -1. So 1. So here, here is the image for the point here. Okay, okay. The last one. Okay, last one. You have to move. You have to move the this point. Okay, through the same translation. That means move to the right 3 unit, 1, 2, 3, then move a downward 1 unit because -1. So here, okay. After you already get all the point of the image for the object A, then you join that point, then you will get the image A prime for the object A here. Okay, so that's how to answer example 8 there. Okay, all right, class. Okay, so I think our lesson today just I want to discuss examples 7 and 8 there. Okay, then after that, please do some exercise. I want you to answer question. Okay, wait. Okay, I want you to answer self-practice 11.2. Okay, 11.2. Okay, please do question 5 and 6. Okay, please do question 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Do in your mathematics exercise 2. Okay. Okay, if you have any problem how to do this exercise, you can ask me in the Telegram. Okay, so that's all for our class today. Thank you, class.